So get ready, kids. My mommy's about to teach you how to use oil pastels.
Hi kids, thanks for the introduction, Jack. I'm going to show you how to use oil pastels. Oil pastels are like painting, but with crayons. It's like a crayon, except crayons use wax, and oil pastels are an oil-based medium, and they go on really smooth and dark. Okay, so the great thing about oil pastels is that you can blend colors. So you can take like this purple and you can blend it with a pink. And look at that, you get some really great blending. Let's see, I'm gonna blend purple with blue too. You always wanna blend colors that are next to each other on your color wheel. So if you have your creative color wheel, you can always use that and look at your creative color wheel to help you decide what colors to blend together. So you always want to use colors that are next to each other on your color wheel. So let me do a real quick color wheel here. So we have our red. I'm going to leave the red there. Then we have our yellow. I'm going to put a yellow here. And then we have blue. So these are your primary colors, okay? These three colors make up all the other colors. So I'm gonna take some red, put some red down like that, and I'm gonna mix it with some yellow and watch what happens. We get orange. Cool. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Clean that off. Same thing with my blue. I'm gonna put some blue down here. I'm not putting it on really dark. And then I'm gonna mix that blue with yellow and look at what happens. What do we got? We've got green, woohoo! Now, I'm gonna take some red and I'm gonna mix it with my blue, and then we're going to get our violet, which is our purple color. Put a little bit more red, a little bit more blue, then we get our violet. So there's our color wheel, kids. So these are the colors that you are going to be using for your still life drawing. Now, remember, these, I'm gonna use another oil pastel here. These right here are your warm colors. And these colors can all mix together. So you can mix red with orange, orange with red, red with yellow, yellow with orange, orange with yellow. You can mix all of these colors. And if you have an oil pastel package that has different varieties or different values of reds and yellows, then you can use all of these colors, you can use for your warm colors. Now, for your cool colors are over here. These are cool. Your cool colors, same thing. All of these colors can mix and blend together. So if you have all kinds of blues in your oil pastel pack and all kinds of greens and purples, you can certainly mix all of those colors together. So look at all of these choices you have. The other colors that you can use to mix with your oil pastels is whites. You can mix white with any group of colors, okay? Cool. Now I'm going to show you how to finish your drawing. So here's my still life. I finished drawing it. I had a plant, I had one of the figurines. It's like a mannequin that you can look at to draw. And I had my coffee cup, and I had a ball that I put in my still life. Now that you have your still life drawn, we're going to draw some lines in the background. That's this all back side of our still life, everything in the background. We're going to put like a pattern. So I want you to just draw some cool, you can draw wavy lines. Now if you come, we're going through our still life. So we don't want to put the lines through our still life. We want to go around our still life. So we're just going to break up this background with lines. You can use any kind of line you want. You don't have to copy like what I'm doing. I want you to do your own thing. Okay. All right, so we have our background and now we have our still life. Now we're ready to get started coloring. What you need to decide, remember our warm and cool colors. You need to decide what's going to be the warm colors. Is it going to be your background, or is it going to be your still life? And then what you decide, the other one, the cool colors, will be the other side. So I am going to make my background using my cool colors, and I'm going to use my warm colors for my still life. Okay, so I'm going to get my oil pastels out, and I'm going to start, I'm going to put this underneath here. I'm going to start with my background. That's everything in the back. Now I said I was going to use cool colors, right? So I'm going to get out all of my cool colors. So we've got my blue, green, purple. This is a green too. I've got lots of colors in my oil pastel package. And remember, you can use white. So these are all the colors I can use in my background. Now the idea is to work with the oil pastels. You want to press heavy, get it nice and dark. Try blending colors together. So I put like a dark blue and a light blue together, and I'm going to blend those colors and see how nicely they blend together. Oil pastels are really fun to use. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of white in there, and that'll give it a nice value. You'll look like it has like different values. So we got light, medium, and dark. You can also put some green. So you're going to color the whole background using your colors that you chose. So whether it's your warm colors or your cool colors. Now, if you don't have oil pastels, you can still do this with crayons. You can mix crayons the same way you can mix with oil pastels. The idea behind this project is that you're using warm and cool colors, and that you understand the difference between your warm and your cool colors. And have fun with it. It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to look exactly like what you were seeing. You know, your sketch is your sketch. That's what you saw, that's what you draw. I'm looking to see that you understand color. All right, so I'm gonna keep working on this, and you guys have fun with this project. I can't wait to see what you do.
That was awesome, Mommy. I am so glad that you were able to teach them how to use oil pastels. Have fun, kids.